afternoon. My name is Cindy.
My name is Rina.
We will talk about Qingdao beer and Budweiser. Firstly, I will introduce Budweiser. Budweiser was born in 1876 and is the largest brewer in the world. It's famous for its natural ingredient and strict process control. Since the birth of Budweiser, it has been favored by global consumers. This is global beer consumption market structure. According to the chart, we can conclude that the Asia Pacific market is the largest beer market in the world. Based on Budweiser sales in Asia market Pacific, the region accounts for 37.1% of global consumption. This chart reflects that Budweiser's main source of revenue in Asia Pacific is the Chinese market, followed by South Korea. This chart shows that from 2016 to 2019, Budweiser Asia Pacific China revenue, we can see from the chart that Budweiser's overall sales in Asia Pacific region are generally increasing. Next, we'll read
I will introduce the Qingdao beer. Qingdao beer is the oldest beer in China and is one of the most well-known Chinese brand in the international market. I believe you guys drink the Qingdao beer before. Next. We can see the picture of the Qingdao beer sales and the beer production. According to the accumulation value of Qingdao beer sales, volume in 2019 is less than that in 2018. But the output of beer will double compare with 2018. This can show what a problem. The company produces more but sells less, has some oversupply phenomenon. In 2019, will some people choose another brand like Budweiser? So we made a SWOT model like this. So we can see strengths and opportunities and strengths and with the stress and weakness, opportunity and weakness and stress. So the weakness and opportunities is the weakness and the opportunity of Qingdao beer in development. We can turn the product weakness into an advantage. And the strengths with threats of the Qingdao beer is weaknesses and threats tells the enterprise that it can not only but also development in the long run. And the strengths and the weaknesses are internal factor of enterprise. Opportunity and threats are external factor of enterprise. So we think Qingdao beer as one of the first international enterprise in China to go abroad has provided valuable experience for the overseas development of enterprise. However, it should be noted that Qingdao beer still has many shortcomings in brand building, enterprise competitiveness, and other aspects. In order to achieve greater success and realize the leapfrog development of enterprise internationalization,
It is necessary to pay attention to product quality and try to explore new ways and methods of internationalization marketing from a global perspective. So we think Budweiser and Tinder beer has the same influence in another country. So we think if you want to choose which one you like, just drink. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.